Yes, good everyone. You're welcome to Global Gift Team. Do you know you can actually make money chatting friends online? Most of us here chat our friends on Facebook, our friends on Twitter, our friends on Instagram, but we will not make money. Today video I'm gonna show you a site you can use to chat a friend and be making money every day. You can make at least $50 in a day chatting a friend. Chatting a friend. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna guide you step by step on how to do it. But before I start, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment below what you say about this video. Yes, my name is Lucrative TV. I'm a Nigeria-based YouTuber. I do research every day on how to make money in Nigeria and all over the world. If you like some of the videos like this, kindly subscribe to the channel so that I can be sharing you more tips on how to make money every day without you not spending a dime. I'll get started. The first site I'm using today is FriendPC. FriendPC, change there. This is okay. You're using FriendPC.com. This FriendPC can be making at least $50 by chatting a friend there. I've tried opening it on my phone, it's not open. You can try it on your phone, but it is working. It is working. Friends every day. Can be chatting your friend every day. For this, if you chat this guy now, you'll be making $20 per day. I was chatting with them. Not that you want to make, just chatting there just to make money. That is very easy there. Some friends are here that they want to make you money. You can also check what FriendPC is all about so that you can know more about it and you can use to make money for yourself and your family. They are virtual friends that you cannot see. That is what it means. And be making every morning chatting with them every day. If you want to join, you will join for free and you book a friend. There. And mind you, do not take any one of them. Maybe you should come to your house. No, just chat to them with just to be a friend. That is it. Do not extend the friendship. Please don't extend the friendship so that I will not hear any complaint. I got there just to chat with them on the site, only, and make your money. You can try friendpc.com. Friendpc.com. Make sure you watch this video to the end. You can also become their affiliate there. You can be promoting the site and be making money. You want to do that too. And if you want to do the affiliate marketing there, they'll be giving you 10% commission every day of your purchase. That we're gonna do there. But without doing affiliate, you can make money to become a virtual friend. Understand me? Become a virtual friend. There are friends that become a virtual friend you want to sign up. You are going to sign up as a virtual friend. You should sign up as a virtual friend. Extra while chatting with people. It's very easy and very cool. Now, guys, can use to make money. You're not paying any dime for it. You're not paying any dime. Let me show you the next website. Make sure you follow all my steps. The next website is rentafriend.com. Rent a friend. Okay, rentafriend.com. This rentafriend.com is also the same thing as friendpc.com, but this one actually pays better than FriendPC. This is a rent a friend now. You can search it on Google. Okay. Yes, have you seen renting a friend for dinner or movie and you're making money, guys? Just take supporting serious. This stuff start around during the COVID-19 period, when most of us are at our house due to the coronavirus. It started during coronavirus, but people are making money just chatting their friend. Have you seen? Rent a friend to play a sport or share a hobby with. You are not seeing them, you are just chatting with them online and be making your money every day. Okay, yeah, now they have at least 600 and something people as of today. I'm doing this video today. They have 600,000 people there. Just click on here and start being a friend with them. It's very easy like that. You're going to put your location there. You put your location and sign up. Put your location and sign up. You can also read some few things about them. Okay, there's some people that have made money through this rentafriend.com. Let's see. Okay, obviously these are some testimonial there here where people are making money by chatting their friends online without knowing them, making the money here in Nigeria. That's what they want. Next one is papa.com. Okay, papal.com. Okay, this friend too is a virtual social media where you can be making money chatting your friends every day. Okay, are you seeing it here? Ready to earn money with flexible hour and making a difference in your community. Becoming a papa pay to help each other. You can download the app on your Google Play Store, your Apple Play Store. Okay, yes, you are here now. Okay, there's an error. Let's go back. Okay, let's use Chrome browser here. We are putting papal.com. Okay, make sure it is correct. Okay, it's also another way you can be making money chatting with friends there. I'm sure in serious websites you can make money online in Nigeria, all over the world, where you can be making money. You don't have any excuse that you're not making money online. You don't have any excuse. Make sure you watch the video to the end and like this video and subscribe to this channel. Just make sure you sign up. Want to sign up, you come here, you click on you sign up, you click on this, become a PayPal, put your phone number, you put all your details and you apply for it, and every day you chat with friends there, be getting paid. You can get paid through any of your wallet you want to. Maybe it's Palmpay, maybe it's Palmpay, maybe it's cryptocurrency. You can get paid to any one of them. But make sure you check it out so you can make money for yourself. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.